In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for music production. 2026 full guide. Think of ChatGPT as a flexible studio assistant that helps you move faster, make clearer decisions, and stay creative when the ideas stall. We'll use it to beat writer's block, polish lyrics, get music theory help, build better arrangements, and create reliable mixing checklists, all without leaving your workflow. Let's start with idea generation. When you're staring at a blank project, avoid vague requests and be specific. Instead of asking for a generic song, try something like act as a professional songwriter. Give me 5 unique song concepts, mood descriptions, and tempo suggestions for a dark, cinematic synthwave track. This kind of detail gives ChatGPT a lane, and the output becomes your blueprint. Use the concepts to set your BPM, pick a tonal palette, and define the emotional arc before you even touch your instrument or MIDI keyboard. If a response sparks something, ask for 2 more variations in the same vibe so you can compare directions quickly. Now, on to lyrics. If you have a theme or a rough verse, feed it in and ask ChatGPT to continue in the same structure. A prompt like, "Here is my first verse, insert verse." Write a chorus that follows a standard AABB rhyme scheme, matches this emotional tone, and fits a 4/4 time signature. Will give you structured lines aligned to rhythm. Specify syllable count or key phrases you want repeated for hooks. Don't be afraid to request alternatives with different intensity levels, then tailor the best parts to fit your melody and vocal phrasing. For music theory help, treat ChatGPT as your tutor. Ask for chord progressions that create a specific feeling, along with Roman numeral analysis and exact MIDI notes. For example, give me 3 emotional chord progressions in the key of a minor. Include the Roman numeral analysis and the exact MIDI notes for each chord so I can manually draw them into my DO. You can also request inversions or voice leading tips to keep transitions smooth and reduce clashes with your bassline. Breaking out of the 8-bar loop is next. Share what's in your loop and ask for a full roadmap. Try. I have an 8-bar loop with a driving bass line, drums, and a lead synth. Map out a full 3-minute arrangement structure for a modern pop song, detailing exactly when to introduce or drop elements to maintain high energy. Use this as a bar-by-bar plan for intros, verses, builds, drops, and breakdowns, and mirror the suggested dynamics with automation. Finally, dial in your mix. Use ChatGPT for practical EQ and compression starting points. For example, give me a detailed EQ checklist for cleaning up a muddy male vocal track. Tell me which frequencies to cut, which to boost, and what standard compressor settings to start with. Apply the guidance, then fine-tune by ear to match your recording and reference tracks. By using ChatGPT as both creative co-writer and technical assistant, you'll move faster, stay inspired, and keep your sessions focused. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.